Oh, a cat and his child for going fishing. Oh, they caught the fish. Oh, an octopus attack on them. It's horrible. It's horrible. And he is crying. Oh, wow. I think it can't be saved. Oh, it's amazing. Amazing. Oh, very horrible. But helper is came and fought with octopus. A horrible fight between them. Oh, she find the cat. Oh, it's amazing, amazing. It killed the octopus. Oh wow, looking very good. And save the cat child. And cat child looking toward the and she is running. Oh, and then he found his father. It's amazing story. Wow, it's very